Day 562 of starting over the bead sorting project. Sometimes I realize that the concept I chose simply doesn't work. The sooner you notice it, the easier it is to change direction. It's hard to stay objective when you're attached to an idea, but the goal is to make something that works, not just something clever. In this case, the first two mechanisms didn't work out. The first one struggled to bring the bead to the sorting point, and the second one, which used a chain, couldn't collect all the beads from the container. Now I'm working on a new design using a screw conveyor that lifts the beads in a relatively organized way to the sorting point. This version also has a few issues. At some point, the beads start locking together and form a stable structure above the screw, stopping the movement. One possible fix is to vibrate the container to break these formations. I also found that moving the motor slightly back and forth creates a similar effect, and with a stepper motor, I could even control it precisely, similar to how Bamboo Lab printers shake the bed at the start of each print for calibration. Another strange issue is that some beads try to jump back into the container, probably something related to the geometry of the sorting area, but that can be fixed too. I've also made progress on the sorting method itself. I'm using an ESP cam to capture each bead at the sorting point, and I designed a camera mount with space for 12 reference beads. Instead of detecting colors directly, which is sensitive to lighting conditions, the algorithm simply compares the bead being sorted to the reference beads in the frame. This approach avoids most of the lighting and color detection problems. There's still a long way to go, but I think I'm heading in the right direction. On my channel, I mostly post shorts, so if you like what you see, that's the main format where I share my projects. Feel free to subscribe and follow along as the project develops.